We're going to work the double chin area where the flow likes to get stuck, and the chest that can pull down on the face and make everything look heavy and tired. First, I apply my glow oil to my neck and my chest for a nice smooth glide with my Millifacial cups. And I get asked all of the time, do I need to apply oil before cupping? Yes, because that's what's going to help the cup glide and not suction too much on your skin. We don't want that. First, the hidden face anchor, which is our chest. I'm going to take our Luxe cup and I'm going to squeeze, place on skin, center of chest, and glide outward to the underarm area. This is the way everything flows. That's why I'm gliding out to the underarm. And what I'm doing here is called fluid gliding, where I squeeze, place on skin, release, glide, squeeze again to release. Then if I want to hit the fine line areas in the center of my chest, I do what's called flash cupping. This is where I squeeze, place on skin, let it sit for 1 second, squeeze again to release, and then move on to the next area. This is just a really quick way to wake up the skin. Next, it's time to open the flow. I start from the angle of my jawline and glide down to the collarbone area, moving from the back to the front of my neck. Not only can this open the flow to the double chin area, but to the entire face because everything flows to here. And my favorite part, right under the chin. I'm going to start at the front, squeeze, place on skin, use my other finger to anchor, and then move all the way back, squeeze again to release, and repeat this about 5 times under the chin. And upon the last glide, I'm going to encourage the flow all the way down to the collarbone area. And that's a less than 10-minute ritual that I'll sprinkle in throughout my week to depuff and lift my face naturally with this facial cupping set. I'll put everything in the description, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments for me.